Okay, so in this video we will be talking about what we are actually expecting from the event marketer which we are hiring for now. So like for first I will just give you a demo about what we are actually doing for this workshop kind of thing. So like the first of all we are Pixelflip Technologies, and here we have three products with us which are AcadFlip, Flipgrid and PCube. But for now we'll talking about AcadFlip first, because as all the events or all the workshop we are planning for next few months, that will be online, or we can say that will be conducted on AcadFlip. Okay, so after that particular thing I'll be explaining you what actually AcadFlip is. So basically AcadFlip is a mobile application which provides the organized video lectures for engineering students. Okay, so as particular to their university. Okay, and for like whatever the syllabus they are having, they will have the, you can say, videos according to that syllabus only in our application. And like for now we have 1.7 lakh plus video downloads, and at the same time we are very positive about the customers. Like we have 4.6 app rating on the Play Store, and there are at least around at least you can say 3 to 5,000 monthly active users on our platform, and in total of 8,000 plus application downloads. Okay, so that's all about the app for now. Now I'll just show you what our actually application is. So basically this is AcadFlip application. Here we can say all the engineering video lectures and all that stuff, and whatever the webinars we are taking right now, like we'll be taking in next months also, so that webinars will be conducted on this app only. So we have all the Zoom integration and all that stuff, so that people can join the webinars on this particular app itself. So that's one thing. And even after the webinar they can see all the recordings of all those webinars we'll be conducting. Like we have conducted this particular webinar in this you can say this in this week, so all the recordings of that particular webinar is available right here. People can download and watch the things on this app itself, and all the functionalities are available. Like no two people can download the same app, and they can use the same app using same mobile number, like it will show error, and all that stuff is already here. You can't record in this application, like we can't use screen record and all that stuff, basic stuff which is integrated in the app. Now I'll be talking about what we are actually expecting from the event marketer. Okay, so like first of all we'll be talking about what workshop we'll be taking. So these are some of the examples, like which workshops we'll be taking in next few months. We can say this is for basics of hacking, then AI and machine learning, then full stack development, Android development without coding, then programming courses like Java and Python, and also C++, that kind of stuff, then placement preparation courses. So all these workshops will be taking, and the you can say amount of workshop will be taking per month will be increasing in month by month. Like the more and more participations will be getting, will be inspired for that stuff, and we will just try to increase the count of workshops so that people can you can say more and more integrate with our platform, and they will just feel like, yeah, AcadFlip is it's just getting, you can say, some things in their career or something like that. Okay, so for like for now we have taken this particular workshop in this week, we can say. So like you can see all the USPs of that particular workshop, and even in the registration fee we are taking so less for now, because as we are just attracting the customers for, you can say, for this few months, we can say the starting. Okay, so yeah, the USPs we are taking in the all the workshop, like whatever the things we have saw in the previous slide also, that will be unique and no other people are doing that stuff for now. So that will be a huge selling point for you guys, like who will be just trying for event marketing. Okay, so this was the poster we have designed for that particular event. So this kind of posters will be developing, or we can be designing to just market the stuff. Now we'll be talking about what roles we are expecting from the social media marketer. Okay, so first of all, that social media marketer we are hiring should handle our online presence and strategize the content, like what content we should put in our Instagram handle, and then Twitter handle, also in Facebook handle. So whatever the content we are posting, that particular content should be relative to the target audience, so that like it should be relative to that particular people. So let's assume our target audience is mostly college students and also people who want to learn the stuff, okay, learn the new technologies. So whatever the content we are putting in, so that should be strategized by social media marketer, and it should be related to the target audience. Okay, Along with that, that particular person should connect with our workshop speakers. So earlier I told you like the way we are conducting the workshops, so that particular person should connect with these guys who are taking the workshops and get to know more about the subjects and whatever the things we are taking in, and should strategize the relative content which can be posted on our social media prior to the workshop, so that that will help us to generate the awareness about the crowd, like about the particular workshop among the crowd. Okay, so that's one thing. Along with that, that particular person should make sure that the CATFlip workshops we are taking in should reach the maximum of area through our social media, like whatever the content we are posting in, that should be that much unique and that should be that much attractive. It will reach the more and more audience and in a unique way. Okay, so that's the one thing we are expecting. And along with that, that particular person should create strategies to make sure that all the participants who are connecting to us through the workshop should anyhow be connected to us, the platform and our social media handles, even after the workshop. Like we should put some informative things on social media, and also along with that, you can say some content which will make them to stay there on our social media handles and also on the platform. So these are some requirements, or these are some things we are expecting from our social media marketing.